Shalom Israel, I'm your Don. We out here for the prepping channel, prep team, and guess what? Today we talking about situational awareness, campgrounds, perimeters, and security. Because remember, we talk about bugging out, but as you're trying to get to point A to point B, are you able to actually be mindful and cognizant of your circumstances and your situation? We're gonna touch on a couple points we want Israel to be very cognizant about, all right? Stay tuned.
A most important part of choosing your base camp is you want to be mindful of the path of least resistance. This is the path that more than likely predators are going to take, as well as danger is going to come from. So you want to definitely make sure you take this into account when choosing your base camp.
Hey, come Israel, let me show you real quick. What you see right here is bones of animals, which means predators are lurking, they're around. Come, let us show you more. Hey brothers, y'all good? This is most likely a foxhole. Do not, I repeat, do not set your base camp up at a location like this.
Hey, Shalom Israel. By now, you should already have a good pair of hiking boots, right? So, with that said, hey, it's important for you to cover your tracks because your tracks will lead back to your campsite. Let me show you how to cover your tracks.
Israel, we talked about protecting the path of least resistance that your predators and your vulnerabilities will be at. So after you covered your steps, let me show you the last thing you should do. So now that we set a perimeter, once that perimeter is breached, if it's breached, you will hear this. And once you hear that, now you know it's time to send out a patrol to see if there's fresh tracks. And with that, your perimeter is secure. Hey, Shalom Israel. So as you see, we have our base camp set up, nice and safe. We got a tent, everything set up, fire. And at the end of the day, Israel, we have to come out, practice, be able to do these things so we can be able to strive to get to that next level. And then also to go through the motions. That's where the confidence comes in. Israel, try your best to work on meditating on your path, your direction when it comes to preparedness and also to your urgency. All right.
Right. Hey, I just want to say this. Hey, be aware of the signs of the time right now and make sure we all preparing because we know what's coming. All right.
And also too, just to add, don't let the emergency happen and now you're scrambling, trying to figure out where your supplies are. Know where your supplies are, get out in the wilderness and rehearse.
Right. Hey, all praise to the Most High. The Lord is allowing, opening up our minds to go ahead and receive these type of teachings and these type of skills that we're gonna need in the last days. Remember, the scripture talks about not being ignorant in small or great matters. All right, Israel. So stay vigilant and stay ready. Shalom.